Are you interested or curious about 3D printing, but you're afraid it might be complicated or difficult to start with? Well, worry less. In this video, I'll show you 3 basic steps that all what you need to do to have your own 3D model between your hands. Firstly, you can download any free model from the internet, or you may design your own using any CAD software. Secondly, convert the model into an STL format and take it to a slicer software, so you can generate a G-code file and save it on your SD card. Lastly, set up your printer, insert the SD card, and you are one click away from printing your model. In this example, I'm printing a Christmas holder for REKABIT. If you are interested to learn more about REKABIT, you may visit the link below. And just like this guys, we've printed the 3D model in 3 quick and easy steps.